My friends, today we model this part with the name pillar base, and this is the drawing. The first sketch with all dimensions is already created by me. This is the first sketch, and you should notice that I used the YZ plane. Finish sketch. You see what is the plane, and we apply revolve. Okay, this is the first volume. We continue by adding this feature. Dimensions are here: 36, 66, radius 12, placed at 70 from this plane. We create a new plane based on XY plane at a distance of 70. Then we use the plane to apply a slot, this vertical and slot. We apply coincident between this axis and this center point. Then dimensions. This is 66, radius 12, and a distance of 36 from this center to the center point. 36. Finish sketch, extrude to the part as a join. Okay, visibility. Other features are these two, which are aligned, as you can see. Diameter of 35 placed at a distance of 50, diameter of 45 at a distance of 60. The position is 30 millimeters from up. We use the plane YZ to create another plane at a distance of minus 50. We turn back the part, we select the plane for a new sketch, circle, diameter of 35, placed on the same vertical with the center point. I have to use vertical to be horizontal. This is aligned, and 30 from the circle to this face. Finish sketch, extrude to the part. Okay, hide the plane. For the other cylinder, we use the same base, YZ, and we move this to 60. Okay, new sketch. We project this circle since they are aligned. We make this construction and we draw a circle of 45. Finish sketch, extrude to the part. OK. Hide the plane. Next is this hole through both cylinders. Hole, select face, select center, through, and the diameter is 15. We continue with these holes, diameter of 10, 6 occurrences, diameter is 86. Select the plane, place a line to the right, 86 divided by 2, F7 to see the situation. You see, we have only this line. Then we apply hole, this point, diameter of 10. Okay, we multiply this by using circular pattern, selecting this last feature, selecting the axis, and the number is 6 by default. Then these 3 holes, they are placed here, center of the slot, center of the slot, and equal for the center. The dimension is right here, 3 times metric 10, 25, 18. This face, project all the face, then 3 points, 1, 2, 3. I draw a line between these 2 points and I apply coincident between this point and the midpoint of the line. Finish sketch, hole, threaded, ISO 10 with a depth. This is 18 and this is 25. Okay. Other holes are these 4 with definition metric 6, 7, 10. They are placed on a circle with a diameter of 48. Face, sketch, line, (48) divided by 2. Okay. Hole, this point, the thread is 6, the depth is 7 and the other depth is 10. Okay. Circular pattern of the last feature about this axis, number of 4. Okay. All fillets are radius 3 and undimensioned chamfers are 2 at 45 degrees. There is another chamfer here, but it was placed in the first sketch. Let's apply this. We select this edge, 3 is the value, applied to all places, and also this. Okay. Chamfers are here, 2 is by default, then here, here, and also here. Okay. Then let's see what is the volume. Physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click here, and the new value is almost the same. We keep the last value to have the reality of what we did here today. Then we apply the material steel cast, then also steel cast. We hide, then view, no edges, default lights. Okay, we select some faces, press the shift button of the keyboard to apply other aspect, still polished. Now we have the same part. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.